In this video, I will show you how to replace 0 with blank cells Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you are using any version of Microsoft Office, this method will work in almost all Excel version. Firstly, select your data where you want to replace 0 with blank cells. So select, then find and select and click on replace. Find what? So make 0. Here you will not see any number. So make it 0 and make sure select this option. Match entire cell contents. So select this one. Then just replace all. All done. We made 4 replacements. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.